What is up, everybody? Welcome to the vlogs. If this is your first time, my name is Lewis. This is my vlogs. If it's not your first time, welcome back. If you know me and you've seen my vlogs, you know if I'm going yellow and I'm looking bright, I'm at work. You know, I'm not YouTube famous, so you gotta make $1 somehow. Today I'm gonna bring you guys along. I already started working and kind of fill my day little by little. So after work, I'm gonna go head over to Mad Monkey Wrapz. Gonna head over to Mad Monkey Wrapz, and finally, Shorty's gonna get her new banner. Can't wait. Season's coming, even though March is far away. But next thing you know, it'll come faster than you expect. So already, we already have some action at work, like this. Sure, you see early in the morning. Yeah, it's kind of disturbing, but I'd rather have the dog not attack me. So it's fun. But this is, if you know, this is what I do all day. So today I'm in my hometown, so I'm nearby. The weather's holding up. Happy about that. Don't feel like dealing with no rain. But let's see what we get into.
6 hours later.
All right, so done work. Didn't get to record much because I was trying to in a hurry. I was running around. Gonna go pick up some wheels now. So we're gonna go drop off my work truck, go home, jack Shirley up. I swear she spends more time on a jack stand than she does on the road. Gonna go meet up with my boy Frank and swap tires because I need my tires because the tires are too small. And I hope you guys like the new wheels because I love them. And they're actually wheels I was looking at before to buy, and before I ended up getting these. So it's hope the deal goes through, and it's wish me luck. All right, guys, we're back, and guess what I'm with? Francisco, and yeah, we're going to the tire shop to swap tires. Push Shirley back on the road because she looks like a total. And once again, she's on jack stands. So, are you happy with the trade, Francisco?
Yeah, because my car's up on jack stands too, so we got to make it right.
Boom.
We going this way? That way? I'm just as bad as streets. Don't even know where I'm going.
Typical, you know.
I don't do the Buna thing.
Oh, really? Well, it's time's ticking. It's already 2 o'clock. I gotta be at Mad Monkeys by 3:30. So, and I still gotta pick up my car. And he's trying to kill me. Pop in VTEC in a Jeep.
Ah, VTEC, that's turbo. Pow, pow.
So let's fast forward. Here already at Arnhem Tires. And what happened? No, I'm talking to
Telling PB Loco.
yeah, this is 4 off, 4 on.
Take them off.
And put them on the white ones.
Put them on the car?
No.
Ones.
How you like the white ones?
The white rims.
Well, no, I'm just trading him now for the wheels.
So it's a swap, basically.
Yeah.
Off and on, yeah. Yeah, hold the camera, I'm moving.
Well, you hold the camera.
Oh, okay.
What you got? Vlogs on YouTube? Yeah.
Look, we gonna make Louis work.
He's like, his hands to the back of the bed, throw him in the trash.
This goddamn Honda shit.
Yo, hey! Yo. It's crazy because we got on the Subaru. At least the ice coming off, getting out of work. And we had a pole, spun around, and another car hit her on the driver's side. How fast is she going? I don't know. What's Cody? Cody just wanted to go do that thing. Oh yeah, he's coming back.
That thing.
He broke Jerry's heart, man. I saw that shit. He was like, they didn't even tell me yet. I found out already. They didn't tell him? Nah, Jerry's off fucked up, man. He's up. You know what I had, once I found out the story they told me, I said, I don't know nothing about it. How fast is she going? I don't know. You can't tell how fast he's ice and spin out, and then get hit by a car, so I don't know. Tokyo Drift.
Fast and Furious. Damn, that's all that Dominican power. No, he didn't. Look. Let's show the world how Louis ride.
Nah.
Dirty.
Nah.
That's from drifting.
Nah, I got it like that. I bought it from the dude like that. I was like, damn, bitch, my shit flat as hell.
The life out of him now.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna teach my girl how to do a burnout with them before I
Your car's a stick shift, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Listen, there's some people that drift automatics. You ain't see the dude that drifts the Crown Vic?
Yo, you have a rack in your car?
No.
What's up, Joey? What's up, man? You working, man? Yeah, got out of work. Good. You think they'll come out with a clay bar?
Say what?
You think they'll come out with a clay bar?
Probably, yeah.
Where the hell did you get these?
My boy in our car club. He had him on his Honda Fit for a while. He had him camber like crazy.
Damn, Honda people just give up.
Yeah. On your camera? I'm gonna be the boss of the camera? I could be the boss?
I said you wanted to hold the camera for the day. Well, we'll be back after we put all... Did you stop recording?
No.
Oh. Well, we'll be back. We should be at my house with a better view. Alright, so we're running super late right now to go get my banner done. And I'm heading over there now. Hopefully you can still do my car. But due to work, you already know. And swapping wheels behind. Didn't notice the time, it is 4. And we were supposed to be there at between 3 and 3:30. So, cross your fingers. Alright, so we finally made it to Mad Monkey Garage to get my vinyl put on. So, let's go inside and let's get this thing done. Alright, so car's done. Thanks to Javier. Let's see what he's doing. He has another project he's working on in here. And here he is. What's up, Pop?
Hey man, what's going on?
I see the banner came out looking fresh. Sheesh. So what project you got working on here?
We're doing a slow digital camera with this truck.
It's sick.
We're actually just doing the hood and two fenders. And then we're going to do the whole truck down the road.
Sweet, this is a lot. So definitely, if you need your car wrapped or any vinyl decal, check him out. I'll put his link in the description and his Instagram, and great prices. And as you see, my banner came out awesome. I'm happy.